My dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you. Home tutor is with you. We are going to start lesson Itnan Shreen or 22 of grade 9 CBSE curriculum. Al Masjid, the mosque. Okay. This is the masjid. This is the, I think, Jama Masjid of Delhi. They gave the photo of that, but they are talking something else. So let's start. Al Masjidu Baytun li ibadatillahi. Okay. Al Masjidu, the masjid. Understand? Baytun means the home. Ibadah means worship. Allah, Allah, God. The masjid is the house for Allah's worship or prayer. Yazhabu al-Muslimina ila al-Masjid li-salati wa tilawati al-Quran al-Kareem. So, see, they are using here Yazhabu al-Muslimin. They are not saying Zahabu al-Muslimin. Yazhabu is when there is the noun is coming. So, for the noun, according to its condition, means either is the male or is the female, we use before the verb ya or ta. If it is feminine noun, then the ta. If it is masculine noun, then the ya. So, Muslim is the masculine noun, so that's why yazhabu. Okay. Muslimun means this is the plural of the Muslim. Illa to al masjidi li salat. Li salat means for the prayer. Tilawa means for reciting al Quran al Kareem. So, what is the translation? The Muslims go to the masjid for salah or prayer and reading or reciting the Quran al Kareem. Quran Majid is the holy book of the Muslims, and it is from Allah, not from any person. And Allah talks to the people of the world, not only to the Muslim, only to the people of the whole world. Hunaka masjidun kasira fi baldinal Hind. Okay. This is the Baladinal Hind. So, Ha is the moon letter. Understand? So, that's why there is no Shadda, and we are reading Al also. Baldina means our country. Kasira, very much. Hunaka, there. So, there are many masjid in our country, India. Understanding? Marratan zahabna ili baladihi siddiqna Nabil. Marratan means once. Okay. Zahabna, we went. Zahabtu, I went, or zahabna, we went. Ila means to, baladihi, say here, baldatihi. Okay. Means here is the friend, so means friends, country of friends area or friends state. Okay. Balad means area, country or state. So, once we went to our friend Nabil's country or Nabil's area. Raina masjidan kabiran wa jamilan fil hazihil balad. Raina, we saw. Kabiran, very big, okay, or big. Wa and Jamilan means beautiful. Fi hazihi means in his, hazihi, his country or his area. We saw in his area or country or place a big and beautiful masjid. Hunaka hauzun kabirun wa nazifun fi fanail masjid. Fana means courtyard. Okay. Fanail masjid, masjid's courtyard. Nazif means clean. Kabir, as I told you, big. Haus means this is the pond, okay, or the pool. Hunaka means there. So there is a big and clean pool or pond in the masjid's courtyard. Okay. Just remember, haus means pool or pond. Wahunaka aizan, aizan means also. Hadiqatun means garden. Jamilatun, the beautiful. Amam al masjid, amam means in front. Okay. So there is a beautiful garden also in front of the masjid. Badal al awladu wal banatu yal'abuna fil hadiqa. Understand? Bada means start. Here is the start. But when we will write, we will not read the start. Aulad means children. Banat means girls. Okay. Generally we say the aulad to the children collectively, but here is particularly for the boys, because they are writing here the banat. Bint is the singular and the banat is the plural. Same like this, walad is the singular and aulad is the plural. So yalabuna fil hadiqati. So boys or children and girls were playing in the garden. Okay. There we will say were playing in the garden or play in the garden. Or according to this, start playing in the garden. We will not say like this, because the Arabic, that's why Arabic is the first language which is having many meanings of a sentence. Raitu bazan aulad yaqtafuna al-hazar. Raitu means I saw. Baz means some. Aulad means same like this as I told you, the boys. Yaqtafu or the children. Yaqtafun. See here, because aulad is there, so yaqtafuna, not taqtafuna. Okay. So yaqtafuna al-hazara. So they were al-azhar also is the noun and masculine noun, so that's why ya using. Okay. So I saw some children were plucking, or some boys were plucking the flowers or flowers. Okay. Azhar is the flowers. This is the typing mistake. Flowers. Qultu, I said, la taqtifua al-azhar ha, al-azhar hariya awlad. Okay. Al-azhara ya awlad. Qultu, I said, la taqtafua means, la means no or don't. Taqtafwa, why they are using? Because is the awlad. So that's why they are using here also taqtafwa, not taqtafis. Azhar, azhara, azhara, same like this, the flowers. Ya, this is the word of nida. O children or O boys. I said, you don't pluck the people, O children, or don't pluck the flowers, O children. Okay. La taqtifna. Okay. La taqtifna al hazara ya binatu. Don't pluck binat, same plural of the bint. Don't pluck. See here taqtaf. Okay. Taqtafina azhara ya binat. You don't. Okay. Because this is the second noun, second person you are talking. Here also you are talking to the second person. There was there. That's why ta is here. Ta is here. Not because of ya. You will say that because of the boys ya should come. So because this is the second person, that's why tata means you. Don't pluck you the flowers, O girls. Limaza anti waqifatun huna ya bintu. O girls, why you are standing here? Waqifa means stand. Waqifatun, ta marbuta is here because he is talking with the girls. Anti. Okay. Ya bintu, with the bintu. Okay. Bint means girl. La taqtafi huna, don't taqafi, okay. This is the taqafi huna, don't stand here. Izhabi ili baytaki, go to your home. Understand? Zahabtu ma abni Muhammadin ilal masjid li salati dhuhr. Zahabtu, I went, ma means with, abni means my son, Muhammad is the name, ila masjid, ila to al masjid salati dhuhr means dhuhr play or afternoon prayer. I went to the masjid with my son for the dhuhr play, dhuhr prayer or dhuhr salah. Qadima nasu wa awladu ilal masjid. The people, qadima means forwarding or coming, okay, or rushing. So the people and the children. Nas means people, awlad same, the children or the boys walked or approached to the masjid. Or walk, qadima because this, so this is the past tense, okay, walked. So Zahabtu ma abni Muhammad ilal hazi lil wadu. Wadu means ablution, okay. Haz, as I told you, the pool or the pond. Same, Zahabtu, I went, ma with abni, my son. So I went with my son Muhammad for the ablution to the pool or to the pond. Jalasna mal musallina al akhirin ala al hauz lil wadu. See, jalasna, we sat, ma with, musallin means congregants or who want to offer salah. Al akhirin means others. Ala al hauzul, hauz means at the pool or at the pond, lil wadu for ablution. So we sat with the other congregants or other prayer persons at the pool for the ablution. Ghasala Muhammadun qadamahu fil hauz. Qadmahu means his feet, okay. Qadam means feet. Ghasala means washed. Muhammad washed his feet in the pool. Qultu lahu, I said to him. Lahu means to him. La taqsil qadmaka fil hauz ya Muhammad. O Muhammad, don't wash your feet in the pool. Qadmaka, your foot. La means don't. Taqsal means you don't wash, okay, or you don't clean. Al haud ya Muhammad. Al ma fil haud nadif. The water in the pool is clean. Understand? Nadif means clean. La taqsilwa aqdamakum fil haud. Don't. La taqsilwa aqdamakum fil haud ayyuhan nas means other people were also washing, so that's why he said ayyuhan nas means O people. Understand? O people, don't wash your feet in the pool. Understand? Tawazzal musalluna lil salati wa tawazzal awlad lil salati. Understand? Same like this, musallun. Understand? The congregants of the people or the for the prayer, li salat for salah, tawazzuna means ablution. This is the wadu and singular, and the tawazzu means plural, it will come, okay. The wadu for the plural people were coming, li salah for the prayer. So the congregants or the people for the prayer did ablution for salah, and the children or did or performed ablution for their prayer, okay, for their prayer. Saadi al-Muazzin Manara al-Masjid lil Azan. Understand? Saida means climbed. Understand? Muaddin, the person who call for the prayer. Manara means minarets. Al masjid lil adhan, for the call for the prayer. So the caller for the prayer or muaddin climbed up the masjid's minaret for the adhan. Saida Muhammadun wa Bazun Aulad Manar al Masjid Mal Muazzin. Saida means again the climbed Muhammad, his son, wa and Bazul Aulad and some other children, okay, or some children, Manar al Masjid Mal Muazzin, with the Muazzin. Muhammad and some children climbed to the masjid's minaret with the caller or with the prayer caller. Qultu, I said, Ya Muhammad, la tasud manar al masjid. See again the second person, so he is using the tasad. Understand? Ya Muhammad, you don't climb to the minarets of the masjid. O Muhammad, don't climb to the masjid minarets or minarets of the masjid. Ya Aulad, understand? Again it came Aulad, la tasadu. La tasaduwa. Understand? Because there are many, so that's why they are saying tasaduwa. So tasaduwa manaratul masjidi. O children, you don't climb the masjid minaret. So haza waqt salati. This is the prayer time. Okay. Talwa. Again talwa means to many, he is saying come. Salwa, again not salli, salwa means for many, pray. Mana, with us, ya aulad. See, this is the plural noun, that's why salwa and talwa he is saying. So, O children, you come to pray with us. Understand? Now this chapter has finished. Now the exercise or tamareen. Ajab alal asla at-taliya, answer the following questions. Aina yazhab al muslimun li ada as-salat. Okay, ada salat. This is the swad is the sun letter, so ada salat or salwat. Ada salwat, because there is the salwat is the prayers, so that's why salwat they are saying, because people, Muslims having 5 prayers, they have to go for the masjid to pray. So where go the Muslims to perform the prayers? See, always I say first we should see the question, and in question we get the half answer, how to write. See, aina yazhab, so don't write the aina, only write yazhab al muslimuna li ada salawat ilil masjid. Only you have to write ilil masjid. Understand? Aina, wherever aina will come or man will come, your answer will be very easy. So aina yatzuan nas fil masjid means, say nas they are swaying, so means many people, so that's why ya they are using. Yazua means ablution, okay, where the people do ablution in the masjid. Okay, so fil had, or nowadays, because this is in the masjid, most of the big masjid in India are made up of this Muslim time, when the Muslims were ruling, so they were having the had in the courtyard of the masjid, and there was no this pipe system as we are having nowadays. So now we are having the hammam, washrooms we are having properly. Before it was opened. So aina don't write yadzuan nas fil masjid fil had. Understand? Fil had. This is the had. Okay, don't write. This is not the point. Hawa dad had. Maza yamal al muazzin fil manar al masjid. Before, you know what is this, because there were no loudspeakers and other communication things. So people either were standing on the high place or on the roof of the masjid, or when the minarets starts starts building the minarets, so they start going in the minarets to call for the prayer, that people could listen, many people could listen, or a nearby area could listen the voice of the muezzin. So that's why it is according to that, not according to nowadays. So maza yamal al muezzin fil manara al masjid, what do the prayer caller in the masjid's minarets? How you will write? Al muezzin, okay, al muezzin yuazzan lil azan fil manara al masjid. Understand? Understand? The muezzin gave the adhan in the minarets of the masjid. Kaif al ma fil hawd al masjid, how is the water in the pool or in the pond of the masjid. Okay, hawd al masjid, pond or pool of the masjid. So just kaif al ma, say al ma fil masjid fil hawd al masjid nazifun or nazif. Hal naghsal aqdam fil hawd, do we wash our feet in the pool? La. Understand? Ma naghzal al aqdam, see ma only, la ma naghdal aqdam fil hawd. Same question, only la ma. Ma means not, okay, la means no. Saga al fal nahi mimma yali, okay, correct the command, correct the prohibiting verbs, or command or request means nahi it comes, okay, means prohibiting means don't do, okay. Faile amar, see there is only the difference al nahi, afal al nahi and afal al amar. This is in afal al amar we give the order to do something, and in afal nahi we give the order don't do. This is the easiest way to differentiate between afal nahi and afal amar. See, faile amar we don't use la only we give the order to do the particular act, but in nahi we use la, means don't do. Understand? Here is jalasa yajlisu. So how we will make it? This la tashrab. Understand? La tajlas. See yajlas, so la tajlas or la tajlasi. This is the singular noun. Understand? Now la tajlaswa, this is the plural noun. La tajlasan, this is for the feminine plural noun. Understand? Same like sharab means drink. Understand? And yashrab means he drank. So muzakkar muannas. Understand? So what we will do here, la tashrab. Understand? La tashrabi. This is the masculine noun for the masculine, and this is the for the feminine, but this is the second person we are using, so that's why we are using ta, because we are always we give the order to the second person, no? Not or to the this groups. So la tashrabwa, see again the group is the second person, so tashrabwa, this is the masculine noun. La tashrabin, this is the feminine noun, so second person group. Now this is the qatal yaqtal, okay, muzakkar muannas, muzakkar muannas we have to make of this. So na la taqtal, okay, you don't kill. La taqtalwa, understand? Or la taqtalvi, understand? La taqtali, understand? La taqtalwa, this is the I wrote here for both, for singular masculine noun and plural masculine noun. Here singular feminine noun la taqtali, singular masculine noun, feminine noun. Now here la taqtalan, plural feminine noun. Here Fatah, yaftah. So la taftah, la taftahwa. Again, this is the singular masculine noun, singular plural noun, masculine plural noun. Same singular feminine noun, singular plural feminine noun, means groups, okay, more than one. So la taftahi, la taftahan. Understand? Here la taftah, la taftahwa. Here la taktab, tub yaktab. So la taktab. Again, this is the for the second masculine noun, second masculine plural noun, la taktabwa. So this is the la taktabi, this singular feminine noun, and la taktaban singular plural noun, feminine plural noun. Understand? So here is this. See, here everywhere la coming, okay, because there you are ordering don't do. But in Fa'il we say tashrabwa, we don't say la tashrabwa, or this taktabwa, or la taktaban we don't say, we say taktaban. Say like this, istakhraj af'al nahi minal dars. Understand? Minad dars we have to make. Here ikhtajam we have to find out in the chapter. Here the third question is this iktab, means write. See, this is the Fa'il amr. He is saying, he is ordering us iktab, write. Understand? Khams, 5. Jamal, this is the plural of the jumla, sentence, says. Mustaqbil means afal nahi. Mustaqbal means you use in it afal nahi. So what? La tashrab biyad yasar. Don't drink with the right, this left hand. Yasar means left. Biyad means with the hand. Okay. La tashraba ma'al barid. Don't drink the cold water. They are saying for many. Okay, here la tashrabi, same la. This is the for feminine. So mal har, don't drink the hot water. La tashrabin halibul barid. See, this is the again came for the feminine plural noun. La tashrabin halibul barid. Don't drink the cold milk. So our chapter has finished. Inshallah, you will like this video and you will tell to your friends also, and inshallah you will get the good marks, and I hope you will refer to other friends and subscribe this channel. Okay, so I hope this is the nice thing. Masjid is very good and you